Earn PayPal money for free. In this video I show you how you can earn PayPal money for free with a simple website. In this video I show you how you can earn PayPal money with a website without do anything. This method is easy and simple, you don't have to have particular skill. This method is worldwide, so all can do this. Doesn't matter if you live in America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Oceania. You can earn with this method. If you want how to earn PayPal money, watch all the videos step by step. Hi guys, this is Marmone here in my channel. I show you video about how to make money online. Every week I upload videos that show you different making money methods. In this video I show you how you can earn PayPal money for free. So if you like my channel, subscribe on it, click the like button for helps the algorithm and activate the notification bell for receive notify every time I upload a video. So now we can go to the site in the description and click on the link. You go to feature points. If you sign up with my link, you receive immediately 50 free points. Get rewarded. Earn rewards on your phone or the web with survey, cashback and more. You need to insert your email and sign up now. You can click sign up on this button or insert your email and sign up with this button right here. We can see that this site you can earn with different activities, for example survey, cashback and more, and we will see what is more, so what activity you can do for earn points. There is almost 6 million rewarded since 2012, so this website is old, as 9 years old, so this site I think is legit because 9 years old for a website is pretty good. Got a few minutes to spare while waiting in line? Make your time more rewarding with feature points. We have paid millions of dollars in rewards to our users. You can also win more points with a type of lottery. Win instant contests. Scratch to win 5,000 points instantly. Available on your iOS or Android apps. So you can choose. If you have an iPhone, you can download it on your App Store. If you have an Android, on Google Play Store. But you can also do on your PC, on your laptop if you prefer. So complete survey. Earn points by sharing your opinion with us, answer questions and get paid. Some companies pay this site for know the opinion of a customer, and this site shares some of his revenue to us, so that's why we earn money. Earn cashback. Shop at your favorite stores and earn hundreds of dollars in cashback with feature points. Store pay us a commission for sending you to them and we share it with you. As you can see, there are different companies like Gap, GameStop, Walmart, Microsoft, Sephora, Macy's, etc. And we can earn with cashback. Download apps. Try free games and apps to earn points. Just try the app for a few minutes and you'll be credited. Instagram, Clash of Clans, Tinder, Slack, etc. You can share with friends and earn. Share feature points and you'll get paid up to 50% every time your friend earn points for life. Redeem your points for Ozo rewards. Redeem your points of gift card including Amazon, PayPal, App Store, Xbox, PlayStation, Starbucks, Bitcoin and many more. As you can see, this is some of gift card you can redeem with your points. Choose from a huge range of rewards. Amazon, PayPal, Google Play, Xbox, PlayStation and Bitcoin. This app is rated 4.5 out of 5 based on 1000 rating, so it's very good. So if you want to sign up, click on my link in the description and you will receive 50 free points. Click on sign up or login. You can choose if you insert your email and click I'm not a robot, or you can sign up on Apple, Facebook or Google. I prefer with email. So as you can see, there are different type of activities that you can do. You can earn up to 50,000 points for survey, unlock up to 5,000, Peanut Lab, pool fish. Those are some of the survey you can do. You can enter our contest and win. This is the lottery. Win 63 points, earn 1 token for every 20 points you earn. You can enter every day for the best chance to win. In offers we can see there is Offer Toro, earn up to 3,000 points. And now go on download apps, try free apps, get rewards. Download the feature points app on Android and earn points for trying free apps. So there are different ways that you can earn points. And now go on gift cards for see how we can convert the points. We can convert points in Apple Store, Amazon, GameStop, Spotify, Zalando, etc. We can choose cash for PayPal or Visa card. If you do cash rewards, go on PayPal, not Visa card. And we can see $5 are 3,000 points. We can see that if you complete this offer, you will receive $5. And go on Bitcoin, you can earn $10 on Bitcoin with 60,000 points. So the video is finished. I hope you like. If you want download this app, click on my link, and we will see you next. Bye.